Hey guys, it's Cara, welcome back to the Rambutina channel. Today I have an Aldi yarn haul. Some bits I picked up from online when I was buying for the yarn giveaway, and then I picked up some bits from the store because they actually restocked some of their old yarns, which I'm really happy about because I was worried I didn't have enough yarn, but now I definitely do. So I'll show you that in a bit, but I'll start off with the yarn from online. Because I'm not too sure if this is still online. It should be, because I did pick this up a few weeks ago now, but I'll just show you. And I believe they used to have these in store, but now they're just an online thing. Oh, I cannot carry all of these. So it's the So Crafty Knit and Purl DK Yarn 10 pack, and this is the Cool Neutrals one. You get 50 gram balls in 5 colours, so 100 gram balls of each colour. And you get a nice baby yellow, a pale pistachio, a lilac, a blush and a grey, so that's the neutral pack. And you also get a pom-pom template. Oh, three pom-pom maker templates at the back. So yeah, that's really great. I love this yarn. It's a really nice DK for all sorts of projects. I like it for granny squares, and I like how they're in the small. You get 2 of each colour in like a small ball. I like that. Anyway, so I also picked up the earth tones for myself as well. This was in the yarn giveaway. Really nice colours in that one. Love that. And then I picked up the brights as well. And I don't usually work in these like really bright colours, but I thought I needed to add it to my collection because I don't use it much. Accent brights, yeah, I don't really pick up these colours, but I thought it'd be handy, and I really like these colours here. So that's that one. So that's everything I picked up online, and then I'll show you what I got in store. They had this yarn again, which I'm so happy about because in my last video I mentioned the Bag O' Day crochet vest that I'm working on. I mentioned that I wanted to turn it into a jumper, and I wasn't sure if I had enough yarn for that, so I picked up 2 just in case, and it's the So Crafty Aran yarn in the colour charcoal. I picked up 2 of these. I just said that. These are $4.99 for 400 grams, 800 meters approximately, 75% acrylic and 25% wool. So yeah, I really like this yarn, and this colour is really cool, so I picked up, I keep repeating myself, I picked up 2. Do you know? I picked up 2. Oh gosh, but yeah, just in case. So I definitely have enough yarn to finish that project now. Next up, I got some baby yarn. More of this baby yarn for my jumper. I'm making a knitted jumper out of this. So I know that knitting doesn't eat up as much yarn as crochet, but I thought I'd pick up more just in case I do want to change my mind and end up crocheting the jumper instead of knitting because it's taking so long. So I picked up more because I was so happy to see it in there. I was like, I have to get some more. So this is the pink, and it's called Blossom. I'll take one out, and it's 100 gram balls, so you get 4 in a pack, and it's $3.99 for a pack. So 100 grams, 95 meters, 100% polyester, and that's the pink color, and it's a super bulky 6. It recommends 8mm knitting needles. Yeah, 8mm knitting needles, which is what I'm using, and then for crochet I'd probably use an 8 or a 10, depending on the project. So I picked up some yellow as well. This one's the pineapple slice, and I've got loads of this now, so really happy with that because I really love this colour. I picked up some blue. This is called Sky Blue, same thing again. And then I picked up one more colour which I hadn't seen before, and it's called Almond Milk. It's a really nice beige teddy bear colour. Really love this one. Yeah, I don't think I've seen this one in there before. It might have been there. But yeah, I picked up 3 packs of these just so I know I have enough to make a jumper if I want to. Christina's already made a hat out of this already, which looks really nice. But yeah, really happy with that. They do have variegated colours in that yarn, but I prefer the solid colours. They have a pink variegated one I saw, and then a turquoise, grey and white one. But yeah, I just stuck to the solid colours for that one. Now I'm just going to show you some of the bits that Christina picked up. She got the Knit and Purl cotton yarn in the colour mustard. And it has a crochet pattern on the reverse. Usually they're knitting patterns. So yeah, this one's got a crochet beret on the front, and she does actually want to make a beret out of this yarn. It's a 2 fine weight, and it's a 200 gram ball, 390 meters. But yeah, it's a cotton yarn, so it's not really soft, but it's just a nice sturdy cotton yarn. So yeah, nice mustard colour. They did have, I think, 4 or 5 colours for this yarn, but this mustard is really nice. And then she picked up this hemp yarn in the colour Warm Stone, and this is again a 200 gram ball, and you get 370 meters. It's a 2 fine weight as well, 55% hemp, 45% cotton, and again it has another crochet pattern on the reverse. It's like for this crochet bag, kind of like a basket. So yeah, I think she's going to make some nice placemats with that, so very fun. Right, I think that is everything. Thank you so much for watching this Aldi yarn haul. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if you have bought any Aldi yarn recently. I know Aldi only stocks yarn in the UK for some reason. It's so weird. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!